Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to count the number of vowels in a string. So let's start this with the program. Here, this creates a function named count vowels that takes one parameter input string. This function will count the vowels in the string passed to it. Now, in the next line, this line creates a string containing all lowercase and uppercase vowels. This list of vowels will be used to check each character in the input string. Now, here, this initializes a variable count with a value of 0. This variable will keep track of the number of vowels in the input string. Now, this starts a for loop that iterates over each character in the input string to process each character of the input string one by one. Now, in the next line here, this checks if the current character is present in the vowel string to determine whether the character is a vowel or not. Now, if the character is a vowel, this increments the count variable by 1 to count the vowel in the string. Now, here the next line returns the final count of the vowels after the loop has processed all characters. Now, in the next line, this line prompts the user to enter a string and stores it in the variable user input to get a string from the user for vowel counting. Now in the next line here, this line calls the count vowel function as the given parameter user input and stores it in the variable vowel count. Now in the last line here, this prints the number of vowels in the string and the input string using formatted string syntax to display the result to the user. So let's check this program. As I am entering a string as, hence the number of vowels in the string is 3. So thanks for watching this video.